Okay, so I'm back again. I've only been here for a couple of minutes, but I've been thinking about this. This is a bad idea. This is why. Someone can just lift this, pull the button, unplug it from the outlet, and he's got a $500 item. Apparently this charging cable costs approximately $500. Not too sure exactly, but I'll find out and probably post on the blog later, but this is a very bad idea. Someone can just snake it. Although you can put the charge alarm on it via your SmartWing somehow, from what I've read on some forums, but if you're in a parking lot like I am, no one here, someone just snakes it, you'll probably get an alarm. You have to run over here and hopefully catch the person, but by the time you get here, you're going to be in their car with a $500 item they can probably eBay for a couple $100. Easy. I'm pretty sure someone out there, maybe even you guys, will be willing to pay $500 for it, or $200 for it. Now, what some people were suggesting were to roll the window down about yay length, enough to put a foam cover in. Problem with that, if it's too far low, you can just pop it open, stick something in, unlock the car. But the alarm would go off anyway. Same thing, I guess. But this cable is rated at 300 volts, and it's an 18 gauge wire. On this end, apparently this draws 12 amps continuously at 120 volts. That probably puts us at 120 times 12. That should be about 1400 watts. There's a 1440 watt draw. Cable's not very hot. Charge is not very hot either. Now before you charge it, when you turn it on, all the lights blink for about a couple seconds, then the ready light turns on. Once the ready light's on, you can plug it in and charge it. If this fault light turns on, you got a problem.